So, as I said on the WhatsApp, I wanted to come on and just kind of discuss how our body works when we have food that we don't normally eat. So, as most of you know, I was away for the weekend. Thursday, I had a test day in the gym, which was extremely high intensity, very similar to a competition day. And it was really important for me to make sure that I fueled adequately after, so that I recovered properly from it. My normal daily calories are about 2,400. I ended up having 3,000 calories on Thursday. 2 fibre ones is the only chocolate I had. The rest was real food, so to speak. It was very intuitively eating. I was hungry. I knew what I needed to do and I did it. My normal weight is 65.2, 65.0, whatever. On Friday morning, after having the 3,000 calories on Thursday, my weight was up 1.6 kilos, 66.8. I wasn't bloated at all because it was like real food for the most part. My weight was up because all of that food was still sitting in my stomach. Like, it was way more than my body's used to, and it was just going to take some time for it to digest and move through my body. Friday, Saturday, we were in Cork. Chippers on Friday night, Chinese on Sunday night, and then during the day was like, yeah, I had a few like treaty kind of things, but nothing off the wall. Had a protein shake and a protein bar on Saturday when we went to a garage, things like that. So nothing major, but more processed stuff that I would normally have. Massive bloat Saturday morning. It's in the first photo there. And kind of said to myself, I didn't look in the mirror, but my leggings weren't sitting right, and I was like, why are these not sitting right? And I went, yeah, had a look in the mirror and went, that's why. So I was just bloated because the processed food was still sitting on my stomach, working its way through. So I just got into more comfortable bottoms, and I said, what do I need to do today? I'm still on holidays. I'm not going to change what I want to eat. Water. Absolutely water. I'm very good at my water. I drink 4 litres a day in normal days, but obviously being away, I wasn't conscious of it as much. I was drinking other things, like a Coke Zero or whatever, so I hadn't got enough water. Sunday, a little bit less bloated, still focusing on the water. So if you imagine, say the River Liffey, right? Imagine it's spotless. I know it's not, right? Now imagine they throw all, like, is there trolleys in it? Is there rubbish in it? Whatever. And they drain the water out of it. All of that rubbish, all of that crap sitting in the bottom of the Liffey is going to stay there if there's no water. Now, I don't know if the water move a trolley, but you get my gist. If there's no water to push it all along. It's the same with your body. If my body's not used to having chippers one night, Chinese the next night, and whatever else, it's going to sit here in my stomach. I'm not drinking the water to push it through, so I'm going to be bloated. It's going to take longer for my body to digest the food, and that's just the way it is. That's how it works. So normally people be like, oh my God, I ate so much shit, I'm after putting on so much weight. That's not necessarily the case. Yes, if you went way over on your calories, you probably will have fat gain. You might be up a pound or 2, but it was a holiday. That's okay. It's normal. You're meant to do that. But what's actually happening is when they look in the mirror the next day or the day after, or up to, I spoke to somebody about this a while ago. I used to often have a Chinese on a Saturday, and the weight I was on a Saturday morning, I wouldn't be that exact weight until the Thursday. That's just how long it took for my body to digest a Chinese. So it's really important that you understand that you need to become aware of your own body, what's normal for you. I know exactly what's going on with my body. I had a crap sleep last night. I was awake for 3 hours in the middle of the night, which is another factor, which I'm not going to get into because I'm already 4 minutes on here now. But that's a whole other factor that needs to be taken into consideration, because your body's not getting the time during the night to do the repair work, the processing or whatever. So my weight is still up today. 65.2 is my normal weight, give or take. I was up to 66.8 on Friday. I'm still 66.5 today. I'm not even going to bat an eyelid. It's just how my body's processing.